Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also enjoy doing unboxings, and I like to sprinkle in a little bit of plus size fashion content. Today is my Stitch Fix for fall. If you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, this is a clothing service box or a styling box. You can opt to order it at any time. I typically go seasonally, every 3 to 4 months or so. You pay a $20 styling fee for the months that you do receive your Stitch Fix, and whatever you choose to purchase in that month, that $20 styling fee is credited toward your account and towards that purchase. You'll get 5 pieces. You'll go in and choose your styles, your sizes, your price points, things like that. And out of the 5 items, if you choose to keep all 5, you do get a drastic discount. I typically like to, if I know I'm at least keeping 3, I keep them all, typically speaking. You'll also get a little styling card. You'll get all your information and stuff like that. You also, which I love this, you have 3 days to make your selections and send back what you don't like. You can get an extension on that. You can also switch your sizes over. I typically, right now, I'm like a 20 to a 22, so if anything's too big or too small, but I love it, I just exchange it for a size. Whatever you do not like in those 3 days, you'll put in this prepaid priority mailer and you mail it right back to them. And my premise for getting Stitch Fix is because I don't really go too many places. I don't work outside of the home. I don't go like out all the time, but we do go visit our son quite frequently. Brett and I will have date nights, things like that. And I typically live in leggings and tank tops. So Stitch Fix for me is me getting a little bit more fashion pieces, me getting a little bit more kind of luxe or quality pieces versus the little $3 tank tops that I buy from Walmart. Anyways, we're gonna dive in. I did ask this time for some transitional pieces. I asked for some jeans, maybe some little booties or shooties, and I'm already seeing some stuff that looks so good, y'all, but transitional type pieces, things that are not too heavy. Yeah, so I'm excited. First up, I'm seeing a pair of jeans, and I love me some jeans. These are called Studio Blue, and it says sustainable. And they are the Studio Blue Aranza mid-rise skinny jean in a size 22. I don't know how I'm gonna like the mid-rise, but we shall see. I do like the wash of these. I like that kind of more deep indigo wash. And there's some distressing, but not like an overly aggressive amount. So I like these. And my Deets, I'm 5'5". I wear a 20, 22. Definitely more curvy, more hourglass shaped. I have a larger bust, a larger booty, hips, and thighs. But I also have a larger lower tummy. Next up, I'm seeing my favorite color to wear in the fall season. This and rust. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. I love this. It is a Market and Spruce little cardigan. This is the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan in olive in a 2XL. Y'all, oh my gosh. I call these little grandpa sweaters. I love them. I love stuff like this. Next up, this is a cute little polka dot dress, which I think is so dang cute. This is also a 2X. This is the Fortune and Ivy Margie knit dress, black, 2XL. I love polka dots, and I typically like a maxi dress, but I wanted something like this specifically, like the cut of this, I think is super flattering on my body shape, specifically because I have some cute little black loafers. So I actually just ordered some fishnet tights and like fishnet stockings. So I feel like moving forward, going into the fall season, this with some fishnets and them loafers, honey. And keep in mind, I live in the South. It doesn't get cold until like way later in the season. So far, everything is a freaking win. Also, you can switch up your stylist, or if you love your stylist, you can continue to have that same stylist, and you can go in, like during the summertime, I was like, I need extra light pieces. I want flowy tank tops. I want maxi dresses. You get the point. And then last up, the fabric on this feels, that feels so nice. This is the Kaylee Villette back detail cold shoulder knit top, black, 2XL. This actually looks big. Oh man, that's so cute too. I mean, of course, they always look different when we try things on. Of course, you'll see the try on portion after this. I will also note, when you are trying on your clothing, whether you're at home getting a Stitch Fix box, personally curated for yourself, or you're out somewhere, wear the garments, the undergarments, panties, bras, shapewear, etc. that you know you would wear wearing those pieces out. And I'm saying that because I've tried on pieces, even in my try-ons, I've tried on pieces with not my favorite panty, or not an uplifting supportive bra, or, you know, just been wearing a lounge bra or a house bra. And then when I go to wear them, the clothing feels bigger or feels looser, vice versa. And now you might be like, Riri girl, that's only 4 items. There's something in here. And when you get these, it's typically a nicer handbag or it's shoes. These are the Market and Spruce Adair Booty in an olive size 8. Let me find out that this is like the perfect Riri bag. I love these. Oh my gosh. Again, I love rusts and burgundies and like greens. She nailed this. Holy freaking crap. I'm excited to try things on. I'm going to shut up. Here comes the try on portion. Alright, we have this little ensemble. Here is the top. It is a little loose on me, but I don't think I mind it. I like the coverage on the arms. If you're somebody that has larger arms, this kind of flutter sleeve is super flattering, I think. And of course, it covers up what you want covered up. I like that it's a little bit more fitted. I may actually exchange this and go down a size, just because it's pretty loose. But I like that it's a little bit more fitted through here, but then it also drapes away from the body. I love that. These jeans, I'm looking in my mirror too. These jeans fit perfectly. It says mid-rise, but I feel like this is more of a high-rise. There's a great level of stretch. They look great on me. They feel super comfortable. I feel, like I said, I'm kind of between 2022. I have plenty of room. They honestly may even be a little big on me. I do have quite a big gap also in the booty area, but in the actual butt themselves and my hips, they feel great. They feel really nice quality too. I feel like this is a win overall. I'm definitely going to see if I can exchange the shirt. I just feel like it's a little too loose, but I don't think it's going to fall down. I don't know. I'd have to think on this. But this looks cute. Like, I feel cute as hell. Just saying. Alright, I'm just going to throw the cardigan right on top. I already feel like I know how I'm going to feel about this. Just because I love cardigans. And I love an oversized cardigan. And this is plenty roomy, as you can tell. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. And I like that the top has that same kind of sagey green, so it matches. I love the fabric on this. Look, y'all, this is a vibe. This is cute as hell. I love this. I love this outfit. I know it's veering on being slightly too big. Maybe you guys can give me your opinions on it. I don't mind something like this being a little looser. I just don't. Yeah. This is cute. This is a win. Alright, let me try on the dress, and then I'll actually try to show you the shoes, and then I'll try to show you the shoes, or just give you a thumbs up or thumbs down on those. I will BRB. Alright, we have another win, y'all. I'm so excited. This is the perfect shape for my body shape. I like the length of it. It goes just past my knees. I love the little keyhole detail here, and again, I like that it's nice and fitted, but then flows away from the body. I love this shape for me. It feels so incredibly soft. Like I said, I will be rocking this with some fishnets and some cute little boots, or my little loafers. I love this. I think this is stunning. I like that it hits at the very smallest part of my waist and then kind of flares out some. It's more of like that skater type dress. It has a little bit of movement to it. It feels so incredibly soft. I love this. This is a win. This whole haul has been a win. I'm going to try on the shoes, see how they feel. Let's talk some prices and some deets. Alright, I decided to keep it on the tripod, so hopefully this angle's kind of okay. I love everything. Maybe the top is slightly loose, but it may shrink up some when I wash it, but I'm not even sure if you can wash and dry it. Anywho, you get your little styling. You do get your little styling guide here. It just gives you an idea of how to obviously style your pieces. Now we're going to go into pricing. Unless something is extravagantly priced, I think I'm getting the entire fix. So, first up is our Kaylee Villette back detail cold shoulder top in a black 2X, $36. I think that's a really good price. Fortune and Ivy knit dress, the Margie in a black 2X. That dress is stunning. I love it so much. That's $48. I can handle that. Next up is the Market and Spruce Adair Booty in olive, size 8, $79. I'm gonna look at them again. If they are real leather, I feel like that's a good price, but I mean, y'all, I could go to Walmart and buy some for like 30 bucks. I'm just saying. Next up is the Market and Spruce Bridey textured, the 2 pocket cardigan olive 2X, $48. I feel like that's a decent price as well. And then the Studio Blue Aranza mid-rise skinny jeans indigo in a 22 or $58. That comes to a total of $269. And then of course, if you buy all 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount. That's my favorite part about it, which gets me down to, it takes $67.25 off. That equals $201.75. And then of course, my styling fee was $20, so that also comes off. That is a total of $181.75. As of right now, I'll pop it right here for you guys. I'm keeping everything. If the boots are leather, I think I'm keeping everything. If not, I may take those back. I'll pop it up right here, but I love the pieces. The style is my style. I love the way that everything fit on my body shape and my size. I love the colors. I do love that there are some transitional pieces in there. I love this. I love this fix so much. I think it is a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. Lindsay nailed it. What do you think? Comment down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.